Good morning. This quick tip is to show you how to find materials to submit for in-service credit. So if you've ever participated in any kind of e-learning professional development workshop or community of practice, you'll have been added to this professional development records course within Canvas. On this homepage, there's some quick links to introducing you to what in-service credit is, the steps for submitting or receiving in-service credit, and then an external link to Curriculog. And now in-service credit is only pertinent to full-time faculty, but we also have a link for the stipend information that's relevant for part-time faculty. So when you come to this course, there's a couple ways to see what professional development you've engaged with. So you can go to the assignments tab. And so here's kind of all the assignments that this individual has. And they could also go to the grades tab. And so again, the grades tab will be there for the activities that the individual has participated in. So let's take a look at the Spring 2025 Online Introduction to COIL. You can navigate to those that you have participated in. And when you go to the course, you'll see there's a short description of what the course is. Sometimes there will be a date there. And then you can click View Feedback. And this is where you would find a certificate of completion. And so that's been, it's going to be in a PDF format, and it'll have been securely signed by myself or Whitney or the facilitator. And so you can download this PDF, and that's what you can submit into Curriculog for your PD credit. Now, on the certificate of completion itself, it will tell you how many hours of PD you received for doing that. So it was a workshop, so it was 1 hour. And then it'll also have the name of the workshop. So get those PD credits.